That's a great job you've done with the gate there. I'm really impressed.
Oh, thank you.
I reckon that'll stop those nosy neighbours from peeking their heads over the fence.
Well, it should do. It's tall enough.
What are we going to do out here now? I thought some paving might be quite nice.
Yeah, it's all right, but there's a lot of tree roots and ups and downs on here.
Yeah, that's true, and you'd be forever trying to get those tree roots out.
Yeah.
So what about some decking? That'd be nice.
Yeah, that'd be all right, yeah. Should be able to do some decking. There's a slight slope on the ground though, so you might have to move some soil out from here.
What would you do with all the soil when you dig it out?
Yeah, I've got an idea about that.
Yeah, I've got an idea too. Yeah. Stay tuned. We'll show what our idea is. So what are we doing today, Mike?
Today I'm going to be making a planter box or a raised garden.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah, it's not going to be anything too fancy, just practical and easy to make.
All right, and what are you going to put in these planter boxes?
I think that's up to you.
It's up to me, okay. Well, show us what the plan is.
It's quite easy to do. All you need is a few tools. You need a rule, a hammer, pencil, saw, and a workbench. Although a workbench is not essential, but it's very handy. The items you need to make your raised garden is some planks of wood, some corner posts, and some nails. I'm actually going to make my planter boxes 3 planks high, so with the 4 sides, and I'm going to put 2 nails on each end, which makes 48 nails.
Yeah, and you haven't had Barry to help you with that?
No, I've counted them out, but I haven't had Barry.
So you've actually counted out 48 nails?
Yes,
exactly.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're hilarious. Okay, oh, this is going to be fun. Let's watch Mike build this planter box.
First of all, I'm going to mark out the length I want for my corner piece, which is 300 mils, which is 3 of my plank widths high. Alright, I need to draw a line across there so I know where to saw. You don't need a set square. The shape of the handle will give you this line across here, and up there is a right angle. So, across there like that, give you a right angle across your piece of wood. This other shape here is actually 45 degrees. So if you wanted to make an angle cut of 45 degrees, you can put that up against your piece of wood and draw your line. That'll give you 45.
That's very clever. I'm impressed. Did you just make that up, or did you Google it?
No, I knew that.
You knew that, you just...
I've been told that before.
Okay.
Found it out somewhere. Or if you actually look on the handle, it does say 90, 45.
Clever. So Mike is repurposing some of our wood. This stuff here, this came from the old fence that we just pulled down. This stuff here is some wood we bought years ago that we bought our fence around the back with. And it's just, we bought a whole lot for $500 and it's just been taking forever to use it all up. So yeah, we're going to use some of that for our planter boxes. So everything we're doing is basically cost us nothing, except for the nails.
Now I'm going to assemble my planter box. To start off with, I'm going to nail one corner piece to the sides, make up the 4 sides, and then I'm going to join the 4 sides together. So here we go.
So are those nails you're using, are they special nails?
Well, they're straight nails.
Straight nails?
Yeah. They're actually decking nails that I'm using, because we'll be hopefully doing some decking later on. As long as they're 60 mils in length, it'll be fine. Another one down.
Hang on. Let's test how strong it is gonna be.
3 down, 1 more to go. And there's the final one. So now I've got to join the 4 sides together. Right, so that's our box completed now, and it's just to put it up in the garden with the others.
Okay, let's go do it. I could probably help you.
That's right, I've done it now.
And here's some he prepared earlier. That's good. And there's enough room to get the lawnmower up through here. Just need one more in here and to make it a nice shape.